The protest that we saw yesterday was in Rio de Janeiro, outside of the iconic stadium there, Maracanã, and about 1,000 people were there to protest against the World Cup. And what they see is these excessive expenditures on stadiums, $3.5 billion to be exact, to refurbish or to build these stadiums. They say that money should be spent on health and education. But that's just the latest in a string of protests we've seen across the country. The most violent and the biggest have been in Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro. Police have repeatedly brought out the tear gas, rubber bullets, which is not an entirely common occurrence in Brazil. We've also seen protesters responding or going out there with rocks, burning buses, smashing windows. So we've seen violence on both sides, but I think it's fair to say this is really much more than just a hike in bus fares at this point. What we hear from Brazilians over and over again is that they're sick of paying for something and getting nothing in return. And public transportation is just an example of that. They want to charge more, for example, for buses in Sao Paulo that don't take you anywhere, that take you 3 hours to get there. People are saying, why do we have to pay more if the service isn't getting any better? People are also talking about taxes. Brazilians pay very high taxes, and they're complaining about political corruption, huge salary increases that the politicians are giving themselves. So I think this is really about accountability at this point.